Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Izan. I am 5 years old. I am studying in ZQ Pre-Primary School at Punur in MZQA. In my family, we are 4 members. My father's name is Jamshid. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Sahila. She is a teacher. I have one elder brother. His name is Ryan. He is studying first standard Marcus Wali Ryan. I am very sincere and obedient boy. I follow all the instructions from my parents, teachers. My hobbies are read storybooks, drawing, gardening, and playing with my brother. I love my family very much. Thank you.